Of all the three particles in an atom, the only ones involved with bonding are the electrons, because they're on the outside, they're free to zoom around and form those bonds. Ionic bonds are between metals and nonmetals, or a positive and negatively charged ion. Covalent bonds are always between two nonmetals, or if you ever see that it contains carbon or hydrogen, chances are that it's going to be a covalent bond. Here's a little compare and contrast here. Ionic bonds give or take electrons. It's formed by an attraction between positive cations, negative anions. It's metal to nonmetal. Covalent are going to share electrons between two nonmetals, and then remember that those group 17 atoms are going to bond to themselves, so they're known as diatomic. Examples would be chlorine gas, oxygen gas, and bromine gas. Over here, these two are both nonmetals, so you know it's covalent. These two are in family 17, chlorine and chlorine, so it's going to form one of those diatomic molecules, covalent. C and H are always part of covalent bonds, so that's going to be a covalent. And then we have iron, which is a metal, and oxygen, which is a nonmetal, so that indicates that that's going to be an ionic bond. In addition, iron has a positive charge, oxygen has a negative charge. Subscripts are something that should be a review for most of you. The 4 in NH4 tells us that there are 4 hydrogens in this molecule. There's no number after the N, but we assume that there's just one. We never rate the one, but it's always there, just like in math.